That's right. Hello, it's the 24th of August. Time's roughly about 5 o'clock. It's been raining most of the day. It's sort of eased off a little bit now because it's quite heavy earlier on. You can see it's raining. It was actually heavier about 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. Actually quite a lot heavier. Right, I'm going to just check the cupboard. Oh, I can see that there. You can see it's still fairly heavy. Let's just check the cupboard. Tissue, I've got no tissue. That'll do. Right, let's have a look at the cupboard. Plug in the light. Tissue from yesterday, that is. Tissue from yesterday. Right, it's not a dry tissue, you can see there's nothing on it. Fairly dry tissue. So, right, you could, don't know if you can see it from there. You can see that it's wet. You can actually see it there, but can you? Oops, let me zoom in. Seems to be wet under this stuff here. Oh, you can see it dripping. It just dripped. You just saw it drip there. If I leave the camera long enough, you'll see it dripping. Just did a drip from there. You can see it. Right, this is, let's just stick this in. You can clearly see it's all wet there, you can see it. I'm just going to stick this underneath there. Oh, you can simply touch it, you can simply it seems to be very wet from this when my fingers are there. Yeah, you can clearly see that it's soaking. Right, that's stuff, you can see it's wet. Right, that's self-explanatory, that is. You can see it's soaking wet, that is. Let me use the corner up there and just brush it over again. Oh, hang on. There's a little bit wet at the back as well. Also here though. Oh, it's just like the more I push onto this plastic thing, the wetter it becomes. Oh. Right, you can clearly see the patches on there, you can clearly see where it's been dripping. Behind this, I don't know what it is, asphalt, whatever this bit of tar is, looking bitumen, whatever it is, seems to be held behind this, and that's what's keeping it, that's why it's running, and it's dripping where it's dripping the holes. Oh, the phone's a little bit wet as well. The scaffolding's been up for the last 5.5 months or so. It's still the same. There's no. Oh look! Well, look at the shadow. That's just shadow. Oh, this is damp. This is actually damp. This feels wet to the touch. Meter test. I checked it yesterday. I gave this a check yesterday. That's the tissue from yesterday's. It was wet. I'm going to leave this tissue here. See how bad it is. So I've left the tissue there. Hopefully 5:14. There you go. I believe that's Channel 5 News that's on, which is what that is, Channel 5 News. Thank you for watching, and I'll give you the update. Tomorrow, otherwise it will rain some more. Might start to rain more again, a lot more heavier now. So I imagine there'll be a lot more water. Thank you very much for listening. 24th of August 2015, time 5:15. Thank you.